Welcome to the English Learning from Scratch series. Today, we are exploring learning strategies for grammar mastery. We will discover how to master grammar rules effectively through proven techniques and consistent practice. Let's begin this journey together. Grammar is the system of rules that governs how words combine into phrases, clauses, and sentences in a language. Think of it as the skeleton of language. Just like bones hold your body together, grammar holds words together to create meaningful sentences. Understanding grammar helps you express your thoughts clearly and correctly. Mastering grammar has two major benefits. First, clear communication. When you know grammar rules, you can express your ideas precisely without any confusion. People will understand exactly what you mean. Second, professional edge. In job interviews, writing samples, and formal communications, strong grammar sets you apart from others. It shows that you are educated and professional. Many learners make the same mistakes repeatedly. The first common mistake is subject-verb agreement. For example, saying she go instead of she goes. The second mistake is confusing homophones. These are words that sound the same but have different meanings and spellings. Examples include their, and they are, or your and you are. Being aware of these mistakes helps you avoid them. The first strategy is to learn grammar rules systematically. Start by studying fundamental grammar rules first. Focus on one rule category at a time so you do not get overwhelmed. Use grammar books and reference guides to understand rules deeply. Do not try to learn everything at once. Take your time and build a strong foundation. The second strategy is to practice actively. After learning a rule, apply it immediately through exercises. Do grammar exercises daily to reinforce what you learned. Write sentences using new rules. Correct your own mistakes and learn from them. Active practice is the key to turning knowledge into skill. The third strategy is to read extensively. Read books, articles, and essays written by native speakers. Notice how grammar is used in real contexts. Observe the patterns of correct usage. When you read good writing, your brain absorbs correct grammar naturally. Reading is one of the most effective ways to improve your grammar unconsciously. The fourth strategy is to write daily. Keep a journal and write every single day. Write short essays about topics you enjoy. Get feedback on your writing from teachers or experienced speakers. Writing reinforces grammar rules through repetition. The more you write, the more natural correct grammar becomes for you. The fifth strategy is to use available resources. Grammar workbooks provide structured exercises and explanations. Online exercises offer interactive practice with instant feedback. Language learning apps and courses make grammar learning convenient and engaging. These tools supplement your learning and keep you motivated. Be careful to avoid two common pitfalls. First, rushing through rules. Do not skip basics to jump to advanced rules. A weak foundation will cause problems later. Second, over-relying on apps. While apps are helpful, they cannot replace deep understanding. Use apps as a tool, not a substitute for real learning and thinking. Track your progress regularly to stay motivated. Test yourself through weekly reviews. This helps you identify weak areas and measure improvement. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. When you see improvements in your writing or speaking, note them down. Progress tracking keeps you motivated and focused on your goals. Remember, grammar mastery is built through consistent effort, active practice, and smart learning strategies. There is no shortcut to fluency, but with the strategies we discussed today, your journey becomes clearer and more organized. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep improving. You are on the right path to mastering English grammar.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.